Hi everyone, welcome to Arpita Sharma classes. I am Arpita Sharma, your educator, and today we are going to start with decoding a very mysterious topic that is सिनौली. हाल फिलहाल में सिनौली के ऊपर एक डॉक्यूमेंट्री डिस्कवरी प्लस ने तैयार की थी जिसमें मनोज बाजपेयी सर ने अपना वॉइस ओवर दिया है, उन्होंने होस्ट किया है, नरेशन किया है इसका. This Discovery Plus, documentary is been in news and it's very important for your upcoming prelims examination and GS paper 1 mains examination as history is a very important part, especially the ancient history. This new finding can change the entire course of studying history. एंशियंट हिस्ट्री में अभी तक आपने जो भी पढ़ा है वो पूरा का पूरा चेंज हो जाएगा जब आप सिनौली की डिस्कवरी के बारे में सुनेंगे. अभी तक जो भी हमने पढ़ा कि एंशियंट हिस्ट्री में युद्ध नहीं होते थे या एंशियंट हिस्ट्री में चैरियट्स या रथ नहीं पाए जाते थे, ये सारी फिलोसफी आपकी उलट पुलट हो जाएगी जब आप इस डिस्कवरी की डॉक्यूमेंट्री के बारे में सुनेंगे. This is very important topic that we are going to cover today. Make sure you are analyzing it, studying it very deeply because it's also going to help you in your answer writing. Before we start, going through this entire documentary and the information about Sinoli, I have a very small announcement for all of you. आप लोगों के लिए एक बहुत ही प्यारी announcement है, and that announcement is from Unacademy Plus. According to this announcement, you know that only a handful of people get a chance to be guided by iconic civil servants or bureaucrats and top educators during the course of their UPSC preparation, and you are one of them. The Unacademy Summit 2.0 has 70 plus speakers, including MPs, IAS officers, toppers, and top educators. Register now for the Unacademy Summit 2.0, which is a 2-day conclave for civil services aspirants on 20th and 21st Feb. It's a free summit for all of you to clear out your doubts and strengthen your preparation for the UPSC CSE. The link is given below in the description box. Register now to the summit and attend it for free on Feb 20th and Feb 21st. So recently, Manoj Bajpayee's latest show, Secrets of Sinoli, is set to release on Discovery Plus very soon. The show is based on the archaeological finds at Sinoli, which is in Uttar Pradesh, Bagpat district. And at Sinoli, evidence of the existence of a warrior class around 2000 BCE was discovered in 2018. That is why it's very, very important. ये काफी important है सिनौली नाम की जगह क्योंकि यहाँ पर पाया गया है कि कुछ आज से 2000 BCE के टाइम पीरियड के आसपास वॉरियर क्लास कम्युनिटी रहा करती थी. एंशियंट हिस्ट्री में ये बार बार कहा जाता है कि नहीं, एंशियंट हिस्ट्री में नहीं, मिडिवल पीरियड से स्टार्ट होता है या लेटर वैदिक पीरियड से स्टार्ट होता है आपका वॉरियर क्लास कम्युनिटीज का बढ़ना, इंक्रीज होना. बट यहाँ इस डिस्कवरी से पता चलता है कि 2000 BCE के अराउंड सिनौली में वॉरियर क्लास लोग एग्जिस्ट किया करते थे. वॉरियर क्लास मीन्स दैट हियर वी हैड द वॉर्स, द चैरियट्स, द फाइटिंग कम्युनिटी दैट एग्जिस्टेड ड्यूरिंग the Sinoli during 2000 BCE. So what is Sinoli? Let us understand. Sinoli is an archaeological site which is located in Barot Tehsil in the Bagpat district, western UP, India. This is very very important point. ये काफी important point है. Location याद रखना काफी जरूरी है आपके लिए. ये एक archaeological site है जो कि बरौट तहसील में बागपाट district में western UP में located है. And the site is famous for its Bronze Age solid disc wheel carts interpreted by some as chariots. So over here, this is the most historical finding that was done in 2018. अब इसके ऊपर जब Discovery Plus पर डॉक्यूमेंट्री बन रही है तो ये ज्यादा न्यूज में है, काफी न्यूज में रहा है ये अभी आजकल हाल फिलहाल में एक हफ्ते में. तो यहाँ पर कुछ ऐसे ब्रोंज एज सॉलिड डिस्क व्हील कार्ट्स मिले हैं. ऐसा माना जा रहा है कि ये चैरियट्स थे, यानी कि ये रथ थे. आई शो यू द इमेज एज वेल. I guess it's visible to all of you. This image has been found which shows that it was a kind of rath, kind of chariot which was pulled by horses over here. Okay? तो इस तरीके से कार्ट्स पाए गए हैं, रॉयल चैरियट्स पाए गए हैं. The site at Sinoli was accidentally discovered, underline, accidentally discovered by people leveling the agricultural land. Over here, this is the present Sinoli. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो. The farmers, they came across human skeleton and ancient pottery. And the Archaeological Survey of India began excavations at the site in September 2005, and in 2018 we got hold of this chariot. Local legends tell that Sinoli is one of the 5 villages that Lord Krishna unsuccessfully negotiated with Kaurava prince to avoid the war at Kurukshetra. आप सभी को पता है कि लॉर्ड कृष्ण ने दुर्योधन से 5 गांव मांगे थे पांडवों के लिए कि बस 5 गांव दे दीजिए और ये युद्ध नहीं होगा. बट दुर्योधन बोलते हैं कि मैं सुई की नोक के बराबर की जमीन या भूमि भी नहीं दूंगा पांडवों को. और उसी के बाद आप देखते हो महाभारत का वॉर होता है. So it said this is a very groundbreaking, discovery that Archaeological Survey of India has done. This is very important point for your upcoming preliminary and mains examination. So the excavations in Sinoli were conducted by Archaeological Survey of India in 2005-2006 and also in 2018 when the chariot was found. And as per the ASI and later studies, the remains which were found in 2005-6, they were from the Sinoli cemetery. Belong to the late Harappan phase. Late Harappan phase कहा जाता है. हरप्पन फेज में वॉर्स नहीं थे, बट लेट हरप्पन फेज में ये चैरियट पाया गया है. The Sinoli cemetery is like extensive Harappan graveyard at Farmana, and it is expected to provide extensive extra data on late Harappan culture. So our entire history is going to get tilted now. In December 2018, ASI approved new phase of digging at Sinoli, and the official communication from ASI was sent to an amateur archaeologist in Barot. Now, when we have found the chariots over here, some have argued that carts were horse-pulled, challenging the Indo-Aryan migration theory according to Asko Parpola. These finds were ox-pulled carts. अब कुछ लोग बोलते हैं कि ox-pulled थी, कुछ बोलते हैं ये horse-pulled हो सकती हैं, indicating that these burials are related to first wave of Indo-Aryan migrations into the Indian subcontinent when the war might have taken place. Recently, Archaeological Survey of India has declared archaeological site and remains at Sadikpur Sinoli in UP's Bagpat district to be of national importance as well. तो यहाँ पर आप देखोगे कि यूपी के सादिकपुर एरिया में सिनौली में बागपाट डिस्ट्रिक्ट में जो पाया गया है इस आर्कियोलॉजिकल साइट, इसको नेशनल इंपॉर्टेंस दे दिया गया है. यानी कि यहाँ पर एक्स्ट्रा फंड्स दिए जाएंगे आर्कियोलॉजिकल सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया फॉर द एक्स्ट्रा फाइंडिंग्स and for the further findings, and also it will be protected by the government as well. So over here the Sadikpur Sinoli site provides evidence of the existence of warrior class around 2000 BCE that was discovered in 2018, and the remains of chariots, shields, swords, यहाँ पर तलवारों के भी remains पाए गए हैं, shields के भी remains पाए गए हैं, रथ का भी एक piece पाया गया है, and it was unearthed in 2018, which indicates finally that there was a presence of warrior class people at this particular site in the later Harappan period. The ASI's notification under Provisions of Ancient Monuments and Archaeological Sites and Remains Act, this is very important for prelims, brings Sadikpur Sinoli site under central protection now. अब इसको national importance का tag दे दिया गया है, तो इसका मतलब अब ये center के protection में रहेगा. Nobody can interfere or intermingle with this site. The Archaeological Research Agency said that the site was the largest necropolis of late Harappan period of early 2nd millennium BCE as well. So this was all about Sinoli, a mystery decoded. So now finally we know that chariots and warrior class people, swords and shields existed in the late Harappan phase as well. काफी लोगों ने हिस्ट्री के साथ छेड़छाड़ करने की कोशिश की है, especially the Britishers who tried to twist the history. But if you want to, it is said that if you want to learn about your present and your future, you should study your past. And that is how we got Sinoli, and that is how we are now discovering its mysteries. I hope you enjoyed this session. उम्मीद करती हूँ आपको ये सेशन अच्छा लगा होगा. टेलीग्राम चैनल पर इसका क्लास PDF भी आपको मिल जाएगा, लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में है. Also do not forget to register yourself in this free summit, Unacademy Summit 2.0, which is going to take place from Feb 20th till Feb 21st, 2021.